Welcome back to DriveQuantumStudio. Today, we are about to explore one of the most breathtaking luxury motorhomes ever designed. Imagine the elegance of a Maybach infused into a towering, futuristic motorhome. This is exactly the level of presence you get when you first look at this machine. Its stance is bold, its proportions massive, and its styling dramatic from every angle. Now imagine all of that in a deep red wine metallic color, creating a look that is both royal and intimidating. This is luxury travel redefined. The exterior design of this red wine Maybach-inspired motorhome is unlike anything on the road. The front fascia looks like a fusion of a luxury bus and a high-performance supercar. Sharp LED headlights stretch across the edges, giving the vehicle an aggressive expression. The chrome-lined grille with the iconic Mercedes styling theme adds unmatched elegance. From the side, the layered windows and aerodynamic cuts flow beautifully, giving the motorhome a futuristic yacht-like profile. The multi-axle wheel setup, large chrome rims, and sculpted side panels make it look powerful yet refined.
Stepping inside, the first thing you feel is the overwhelming sense of luxury. The interior is crafted like a private jet, combined with a luxury penthouse. Soft leather upholstery, glowing ambient lighting, and polished wooden flooring make the lounge area feel warm and elegant. Two executive recliner seats with massage, heating, cooling, and full digital control systems sit at the front. Opposite them, a large OLED screen silently rises from a console, turning the lounge into a small theater.
Moving into the center section, the kitchen area is designed with the highest attention to detail. Stone countertops, premium induction cooking surfaces, and soft-close cabinetry create a modern luxury apartment feel. Hidden storage spaces, a wine preservation fridge, and chrome fixtures add practicality without compromising beauty. The entire layout is sleek, silent, and extremely well built, perfect for travelers who demand comfort anywhere they go.
At the rear, you enter the private bedroom suite, designed like a hotel's presidential room. The queen-size bed features premium linens, soft LED backlighting, and a large panoramic skylight overhead. This skylight uses electrochromic technology, allowing you to adjust transparency with a single touch. Wooden wall panels, two wardrobes, and a fold-out vanity complete this luxurious private space. This motorhome's bathroom takes luxury to a whole new level. A rainfall shower, heated flooring, modern porcelain fixtures, and chrome detailing make it feel like a private spa. Despite being inside a vehicle, the space feels open and extremely well organized thanks to foldable, smart design elements. Even with its massive size, this luxury motorhome delivers a surprisingly smooth performance. A hybrid engine setup provides strong acceleration and better efficiency. Active air suspension ensures the cabin remains stable and quiet, even on uneven roads. Rear axle steering helps maneuver this giant with ease, and a full suite of smart driving assists makes long trips relaxing and safe. A motorhome like this isn't just transportation, it's an experience. Depending on customization, features, and interior choices, pricing can easily range from the high six figures to well into seven-figure luxury territory. This is built for travelers who want the comfort of a private hotel while enjoying the freedom of the open roads. The red wine finish adds a bold, exotic, and unforgettable presence, making this machine one of the most stunning luxury motorhomes ever imagined.